is one that is used on the highways explicitly for commercial purposes. Are you aware of this?
I don't believe that is correct. But
it is much so correct. Can you please look that up real quick before we proceed? Because I am filing a criminal report right now with you.
Okay, well, we can do that.
This traffic stop began with the officer explaining he couldn't see the driver's inspection sticker, which led to a roadside conversation that quickly turned into a tense back and forth. The driver insisted he was the victim of an illegal stop, repeatedly trying to file a criminal report right there on the spot, accusing the officer of racketeering and obstruction.
If I go to jail, you got a license, right?
Yeah.
All right.
What'd you even...
How you doing, sir?
I'm all right. Is there a reason why you touched my truck?
Yes, sir. Safety reasons. Do you have your license?
Yes, I do. May I ask why you pulled me over?
I couldn't see your inspection sticker. You had that sticker, but it doesn't look like you have an inspection sticker either, do you?
Oh, I don't.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have your license?
Yes, I do.
Can I see it?
Yes, sir. I'm grabbing that right now.
Okay,
you said it was a safety issue why you touched my truck. Can you elaborate? I've never heard that before.
Yeah, as soon as I get your license.
Okay. And your name, please?
Officer Throckmorton, South Boston Police Department.
Officer Throckmorton.
Is there any reason why you don't have your inspection sticker?
Is it required?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
State of Virginia.
Okay, I didn't know that. I'll look into that, and I'm sure I'll comply.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. All right, Mr. Raposo.
Yes, sir.
I have one question. What is your current address? Is this the Chamberlain Street? Is that the current address?
What is the requirement for the address for?
Well, I'm just making sure that it's correct on your license.
Okay. What do you have there?
Your license.
No, I know you have my license. You took that from me. What is the paperwork you
It's
got
a Virginia uniform summons that I'm gonna issue you for no inspection sticker. I just want to make sure that I have the right date.
Is that a criminal infraction?
It's a traffic infraction.
It's a traffic infraction.
Yes.
Can I file a criminal report with you since you pulled me over today?
Absolutely, if you wish to do that.
Yeah, I do.
But we can talk about that.
I can't talk about that until I file the criminal report with you, sir, because this pertains to evidence, to substantiate evidence of racketeering under color of law in regards to what you're soliciting here right now with an unconscionable contract bringing me into court already as a victim under duress from crime that I've already reported brought on by the Department of Motor Vehicles.
Okay.
Please allow me to elaborate. Are you familiar with what a motor vehicle is?
Sure.
Are you aware of the federal definition of a motor vehicle?
I believe so.
Okay. Are you aware that since you have belief and knowledge of what the federal definition of a motor vehicle is, that a motor vehicle, by federal definition, is one that is used on the highways explicitly for commercial purposes? Are you aware of this?
I don't believe that is correct. But
It is much so correct. Can you please look that up real quick before we proceed? Because I am filing a criminal report right now with you.
Okay, well, we can do that after this situation.
Sir, you don't want to participate in racketeering under color of law right now and bring in unwittingly a prosecutor to prosecute me over a victimless crime if you know nothing about the law surrounding what you're involving yourself with right now. So can I please begin to file my criminal report with you before you engage in racketeering under color of law and deprive me of my rights, bringing me in for another malicious prosecution where you wouldn't have evidence to substantiate that I am legally required to have that, because this is federally protected property. You said yourself you have knowledge of what the definition of a motor vehicle is. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You are aware that federally, I'm telling you federally, and you can look this up right now in Google, the federal definition, which you will see for your own eyes if you investigate the criminal report that I'm making right now, alleging felony crime has occurred. I haven't got into it yet, but the federal definition states that you're claiming are you claiming this to be a motor vehicle?
What you're driving, yes.
Okay, federally it's not.
Okay.
Have you any
I'm writing you a-
evidence
I'm
right
writing you a
now that I'm
state
engaged
code.
in commerce right now on the roads?
I'm writing you a state code, not a federal code.
I'm not a statist, sir. Are you a statist?
Do you have a Virginia license?
What are you holding?
Your Virginia license.
And you're asking me what?
If you're not a statist, then why would you carry a Virginia license?
I'm a victim under duress.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right, so-
and that's why I'm trying to file a criminal report, because this is ongoing racketeering that I'm
Yeah.
involved with as a
all right,
victim.
so let me explain this to you.
I don't need you to. I need you to take the criminal report because you're about to engage in becoming an accessory to their crimes after the fact.
Okay, I understand what you're saying.
Do you really?
Yes, I
But
do.
you're not writing this down,
I know, but we have
taking evidence from my mouth under penalty of perjury that I'm giving you right now.
Okay, are you finished?
You obviously haven't begun to take an appropriate formal criminal report,
Well,
and I'm requesting you perform your administrative duties. Are you a member of the Blue Wall of Silence? I'm asking because you're wearing a thin blue line on your badge
I'm
to
wearing
cover.
this
Is
in
it covering a number?
No, sir.
It's
I'm
not.
wearing
You don't
this
have a
in
badge
memorial
number?
to police officers that were shot
Okay.
in the last week or so.
Okay. Do you have a blue line on your car or anything? But you got it on your uniform.
Mine
Okay.
Is,
Are you aware of what obstruction is, sir?
I am.
You are. Because
Okay.
I'm investigating you, Mr. Throckmorton,
Okay.
right now on camera for obstruction of justice, failing to perform your administrative duties, taking a criminal report as required by law with information pertaining to what you're involving yourself into right now when you know nothing about it.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to explain this.
I'm
to
not
you.
signing in, and I don't
No.
need your cop explaining, sir. I'm good. Do what you feel is necessary.
That's what I'm going to do.
Because
So,
I don't consent to your unauthorized racketeering at the end
Mr.
of the day.
Raposo,
You told me
you
you
have a
know
court
that
date
this
of-
is not a federal motor vehicle by definition, and you're engaging me in criminal solicitation right now with the racketeering under color of law.
Okay, so here's what we're going to do is you have a court date of April 18th, 2022.
What happens if
Yeah,
I
and
don't
eight-
show up to this court date as a victim of your crime under duress
Do you
for
want me-
fear that you might show up and further retaliate with members of the bar and judges against me?
Okay, well, let me explain
I'm
it to
asking you seriously, what happened?
Let me explain it to you. then
Stop
we'll go.
explaining, go ahead.
You have a court date at Halifax General District Court,
Yes, sir.
April 18th, 2022, 8:30 a.m.
And this
I charged
involves a
you-
prosecutor, right?
I charged you with no state inspection sticker.
Okay.
Okay? I'll give you the option to sign on this line. You don't have to. You just have to know that your court date is April 18th, 2022
Uh-huh.
at 8:30 a.m.
And I asked you,
If
what's...
you have any questions, you can call this number beside GDC
So I can't ask you the question, what
Yeah,
happens
after
if
I'm
I don't show?
after I'm finished.
Okay.
I did also mark the box where you can prepay. Okay?
Okay.
And I would like to hand you this copy.
Is that a supervisor?
I'm
I
not
want-
sure. I can't see.
Can we bring him over here? Hey, come
Well,
on.
Let's finish this. And
Well, I want a witness that also has a badge too, please,
Yeah,
because
okay.
I want to get into this criminal
Okay.
report with you.
here is your license and a copy of this summons.
Okay, I don't want a copy of the summons. I don't.
Okay. Well, it's
Okay.
totally up to you, but I want.
I
to
want my
offer you-
license.
Okay.
That's got my photo ID on it. This is proof of citizenship. Am I correct?
Citizenship.
Citizenship. Is this proof of citizenship?
It's proof that you have a Virginia license.
Okay, or citizenship in the state of Virginia, right? Proof of citizenship. I'm a Virginia resident. I'm a citizen of the state.
I assume that's what.
All
it
right,
means.
you want to call me a status because I got this little piece of placard, right?
Okay. So
Okay, cool.
I just want you to make sure you know that your court date is April 18th, 2022, 8:30.
I don't care about
And you're
that
charged
right
with
now.
no state
I care
inspection
about the
sticker.
criminal report I need to file when you're
Okay.
done.
If you want to file a criminal complaint for what was that?
You don't recall anything I just told
Well,
you?
I'm trying to do one thing at a
Sir,
time.
do you
to
know
make
where
sure
you're
that
at
we're done.
right now?
I do.
Where are you at? Can
I'm
you
in
please tell
South
me?
Boston, Virginia.
More specifically, what location?
Walmart.
Okay,
parking lot.
all right. I'm just making sure. Do you know about what time of day it is?
I would say 4:40.
Okay. Are you under the influence of any illicit substances right
Mr.
now?
Raposo, if you have a complaint that you wish to file,
I'm
you
only
can do
asking you
that.
these questions because you told me. I mean, we talked about the ID and you contradicted
All right, Mr.
yourself
Raposo, as long
already.
as you know your court date, we're done with this. If you would like to file a complaint or something else
With you right now
can
in
come
regards
by
to
the
this,
police
you just made
department,
yourself
okay?
an accessory, sir. Can you
All right.
please get a pen?
You have a nice day. Okay?
No, I'm not done with you, sir. You're dismissing yourself and you're obstructing justice because I'm attempting to file a criminal report with you.
In the the end, the officer issued a summons for the missing inspection sticker and returned the driver's license. The driver kept demanding to file a criminal report, accusing the officer of being an accessory to a crime. The officer stayed calm, confirmed the court date, and left the scene, while the driver kept recording, still arguing his case. This tense encounter left viewers wondering if the situation could have been handled differently on both sides. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.